terms of the police, isa lang ang iniisip ko, that people are safe. Now, it's like Caesar's wife. You're not just safe. It's not sufficient that you are safe. You must feel safe. Even if the statistics are telling you crime rate is down, drug seizures are up, that's not enough. People should feel comfortable to walk in the night around their neighborhood, that they can send their child to the sari-sari store. Yun ang kailangan. Kaya ginawa namin, and I saw si Nick Torre is effective at that. And so that's why we, in the end, we chose him for PNP chief. As a matter of fact, very soon after he assumed the position of chief PNP, we instigated already this new program of Cops on the Beat. And nararamdaman na kagad. That's the only way to regain the trust. And that's the only way that people will feel safe. Well, whatever, kahit anong mangyari dito, si patrolman ganyan-ganyan, nandyan lang yan. Isang tawag lang, tatakbo na rito yan.